Former Zingeza West MP Job Sikhala has refuted rumors of being in exile, affirming that he plans to return to Zimbabwe once cleared by his medical team. Sana mina mashoko ayachitogwa pana Job Sikhala achiadresa vanhu kuti vasubscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Unomanya kwamchinzi following his release from Chikurubi maximum security prison after 595-day incarceration on charges of inciting public violence, allegedly politically motivated, according to pro-democracy activist Sikhala departed the country. Sikhala delivered a speech at the United Nations Human Rights and Democracy Summit in Geneva last month. His remarks, highlighting the dire state of human rights in Zimbabwe, drew ire from authorities at home. However, speaking to Newsday on Sunday, Sikhala, who has been arrested for more than 60 times for his political activism, said he was not bothered by the state's threat, he said. Ndo mashoko atogwa na Job Sikhala achiti aiwa inini handine nema threats ari kuuya achitogwa from the state vantu aiwa vangada kumusunga zvikara kana kudii. Anouya achiafema nemashoko kuti he is planning to return to Zimbabwe. Aiwa akangopedza ngokliwa mamedical issues ake, maplans ake ndodzoka munyika yeZimbabwe ochitanga kufighta against the ruling party kana as a opposition leader. Tuze mafungiro enyu muri pamusoro pemashoko ake pinai comment section medu, sana subscribe, kulike, sana turn on the bell.